about?
Don't fuck with me, man. You got a lot of gear on this stage I haven't played with yet.
You gotta believe me. I just tattooed the gang. They don't fill me in on what they're doing.
That time you inked up Marrow, you never heard me talk about a shipment with this.
All I heard is that it's coming in by boat. They leave me out of the loop on purpose. They were trying to keep me from getting mixed up in their shit.
Your friend should have tried harder.
Come on, I told you everything I know.
Enjoy your retirement, man. Hey, Sean. You know anyone that works at the dock?
Not really.
Looks like you get to make some new friends. Narrow's got a shipment coming in by boat, and I want to get it before he does.
Okay, I'll take care of it.